Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a golf club grip. First, gather your essential tools like a vise, a sharp utility knife, and grip solvent. Make sure you have your new grip and double-sided grip tape ready. Secure your club shaft gently in a vise, protecting it from damage. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient regripping process. Now, let's remove the old grip. Using your utility knife, carefully make a cut along the length of the old grip, away from your body. Once cut, peel the old grip off the shaft. Next, remove all the old grip tape. Scrape off any remaining adhesive or residue to ensure the shaft is perfectly clean and smooth for the new tape. With a clean shaft, it's time for new tape. Apply the double-sided grip tape along the shaft, starting about 1/4 of an inch from the top. Ensure the tape extends to cover the entire area where your new grip will sit. Overlap the tape slightly at the end and smooth out any air bubbles or wrinkles for a consistent surface. For the final step, liberally apply grip solvent inside the new grip and over the entire length of the new tape. Quickly slide the new grip onto the shaft, pushing it firmly until it's fully seated. You have a few moments to adjust the grip for perfect alignment before the solvent dries. Allow it to dry completely, typically for several hours, before use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.